Hello and welcome to another episode by EOS Repair. I am your host, Mr. Fix-It. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix a proxy server error. Now, I know you probably haven't heard about these. They're often used for anonymous surf browsing, things like that. What they're commonly used for is eavesdropping. You may not realize this, but I'm going to show you what a typical proxy server error looks like. Let me go ahead and open up Internet Explorer, and it's going to come up with the regular screen, and all of a sudden you get this message. The proxy server isn't responding, or there's a proxy server error. By default, you will never use a proxy server unless you're one of those types that are concerned about your privacy, things like that. You can use proxy servers, but just an average person will never use a proxy server. Now, to fix these, it does give you instructions, which I'm going to walk you through it. Under here it shows go to Tools, Internet Options, and then Connections. Now, if you're using other browsers, you may also see different versions. Let me open up Mozilla Firefox. Now, some of these won't show up right away, so you may not know until you type something in to search. And then it's going to wait and wait. Then the next thing you know, you're going to get an error message that a server or something isn't responding. Such as this. Now, these here won't show that it's a proxy server or anything like that. The most common times you see these is in Internet Explorer. Google Chrome does a similar thing. After a few seconds of searching, it times out, and you get the same type of error message, such as this. Now, Google Chrome and Internet Explorer identifies proxy server. Firefox identifies that it just timed out. This is a good indication that the proxy server is set. And again, like I said, the proxy server by average person is never used. So if you ever see this message pop up, you've definitely got something on your computer that doesn't belong there. Well, let me show you how to fix these proxy server errors. What you need to do is you need to go into Internet Options, which is located in the Control Panel. Again, as you see here, here's all the Control Panel icons. If you need to, you can change View By to large icons, or you can change it to Classic View, and that will show you all of the icons depending on which version of Windows you have. Now, again, what we need to do is Internet Options, and you're going to see this window pop up. This window here is where we need to go. This is the Internet Options. This is what all browsers go by when it comes to connections. You'll see the tab up here to the top. It's the third one from the right. And if you're using wireless, or if you're using Ethernet to access the internet, you want to use this button down here. It's called LAN Settings. You click on that, and it's going to bring up another window. Now, here is what most people don't know, I should say. When you come to this window, there is only one thing that should be checked in this window. As you can see here, this one here shows a proxy server. Now, proxy servers are used for eavesdropping, such as passwords, websites, financial information, usernames, anything that's private, personal information. This can be used with the wrong people as to getting access to your information. Now, to fix this, all you have to do is remove this check mark and put the check mark back up here at the top. This is automatically detect settings. This is default. This is where your browser automatically detects on how to access the internet. And this is where it should always be checked. And this is the only thing that should be checked. Once you have it checked, click OK. And then click OK again. Then you can close Control Panel and then try your internet again. And there you go. Now, what you can do if you start using your browser and you close it, open it up again, you should be able to check your internet browser should go back to your home screen like it's supposed to. However, keep in mind, if the proxy server error comes up again after you just changed it, there is a good chance that you have a virus on that computer. Viruses use proxy servers to steal information from your computer, and then that way they can get your financial information, user IDs, passwords, anything they can use against you to steal that information. So keep in mind, if you ever see proxy server errors, there's a chance you may have a virus on the computer or some type of spyware or malware. Well, I'm your host, Mr. Fix-It. This has been a presentation by ES Repair. Thank you for watching.